BitBox hardware wallet app. The pros, the cons. When it comes to cold storage and crypto security, the BitBox hardware wallet app has been earning serious respect from the crypto community. But how does it actually compare to bigger names like Ledger or Trezor? Here are the pros and cons you need to know. The first big advantage of BitBox is its simplicity. Designed by Shift Crypto in Switzerland, this wallet combines top-tier security with an intuitive user experience. The companion app makes setup and daily use surprisingly smooth, even for beginners. BitBox supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and ERC20 tokens, covering most popular assets. It's fully open source, which means anyone can review its code for transparency, something not all hardware wallets can claim. And because it's manufactured in Switzerland, a country known for strong privacy laws, you can trust that your data and hardware are handled with care. Another major pro is its unique design. The wallet doubles as a USB-C device and includes a microSD card backup option. This allows you to securely store your wallet's backup offline without writing down a seed phrase on paper, a clever touch that adds both convenience and safety. But no wallet is perfect. One limitation is that BitBox doesn't support as many altcoins as competitors like Ledger. If you're into Diffie, NEFs, or obscure tokens, you might find the selection a bit narrow. Additionally, the small size of a device, while great for portability, can make it slightly fiddly for users with larger hands. And like all hardware wallets, you'll need to manually confirm each transaction, which can feel slow compared to app-only wallets. In conclusion, the BitBox hardware wallet app is a secure, privacy-focused, and user-friendly option for anyone serious about long-term crypto storage. It's perfect for Bitcoin holders or those who value Swiss-grade engineering and transparency. If you want peace of mind and full control over your keys, BitBox proves that sometimes less is more, and simplicity can be the ultimate form of security.